Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today we will play Guess the Popular Food and Drink by Emojis. Let's dive in. Let's start with an easy one. Guess the food by emoji. Amazing start. The answer is onion rings. What food do these emojis represent? You got it, it's hot dog. Can you name this popular drink? Great job, it's grimace shake. What dessert do these emojis hint at? Correct, the answer is cheesecake. Try this one. What food is hidden in these emojis? Awesome, it's French fries. Remember the position of all these emojis. Where's the burger emoji is hidden? Correct, the burger emoji is hidden under 3. Can you guess this drink? That's right, it's 7-Up. Quick, what food do you see here? Spot on, it's Taco Bell. Which beverage could this be? Yes, it's hot chocolate. Can you solve this food puzzle? Correct, the answer is ice cream. Choose your gift. Gift 1. Comment your ex name down below and hit the subscribe button. Gift 2. Hit the like button 3 times and comment your crush name. Now back to the challenge. What drink do these emojis represent? You got it, it's Lipton. What about this food? Nice job, it's corn dog. Try to guess this one. Right, it's lobster. What's this refreshing drink? Yes, it's Pepsi. Which emoji is different from the others? Time's up. Here's the odd one, donut emoji. Can you guess this classic food? Correct, it's meatballs. What about this drink? Awesome, it's strawberry milkshake. Try to guess the food in this puzzle. Well done, it's jelly beans. What food do these emojis stand for? That's right, it's pancakes. Guess this dessert. Correct, it's pumpkin pie. Now, a new challenge. Spot the emoji that's not repeated. Time's up. Pizza emoji is not repeated. What drink do you think this is? Great job, it's sun-kissed. What about this food? Yes, it's chicken wings. Identify this famous drink. Nice work, it's Red Bull. Do you know this emojis? Amazing, this is almond milk. What about this food? It's gummy bears. Now let's mix things up. Would you rather drink Pepsi or Coca-Cola? Comment below and see who agrees with you. Guess this classic snack. It's potato chips. What about this beverage? You got it, it's black tea. Can you tell what this food is? Yes, it's cupcake. What about this one? Great job, it's popcorn. What do you think, what food is this? Superb, it's buffalo wings. Guess the drink. Correct, it's Dr. Pepper. Find the different emoji. Great work, different burger is right here. Can you guess this one? Awesome, it's Kool-Aid. What food is this? Yes, it's pizza. What food is this? Awesome, it's chocolate mousse. What about this one? Yes, it's deviled eggs. Can you name the dessert we had? Yes, it was donut. What food do you think this is? Correct, it's Butterfinger. Find the way to reach the pizza. Amazing, here's the right way to reach the pizza. What food do these emojis make? You got it, it's candy corn. Last 5 questions, keep going. Guess the drink. Right, it's Fanta. Name this classic breakfast item. Correct, it's French toast. What about this? You got it, it's cornflakes. Guess this delicious dish. Nice work, it's moon cake. What is this food? That's right, it's Pizza Hut. Can you guess this popular fast food item? That's right, it's fried chicken. Can you guess this popular snack? Correct, it's Cheetos. How many did you get right? Let us know your score in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fun quizzes. See you in the next challenge.